Okay, Assalamu everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the October November 2020, and the question is about the 11th, which is P5. Okay, before starting with the question and content of the paper, I just need to mention some of the important details regarding the paper. We have a question 1 and question 2 with us. The total time for this paper is 1 hour 15 minutes, and okay, 15 marks each question has been allocated with 15 marks each, total equals 30 marks. Okay. Now, first of all, now we are going to start with the question number 1 in today's video. And question 1 is about the metal wire is given to us, and the diagram that in question has been drawn like the metal wire which is drawn. The width is mentioned, is just labeled like S. Now, the question we are just given with the formula with us with the x equals to mg wq n a to the power n divided by beta and the density. Okay, and in the question they are given with us with the laboratory experiment between the extension and the cross section area. Okay, and determine the values of the beta, the variable given, and the n, the number. Okay, now first of all, in the question we have a heading given with the defining the problems, method of data collection, method of data analysis, and the additional details in the question. Now for define the problem, we already know that the extension is basically, we can say about the independent quantity. Yeah, so dependent quantity with the cross section area. Cross section area is independent. Yes, and it is dependent on the and extension is dependent upon the cross section area. As the area increases, of that extension would also be increased. Okay, you can just also vice versa, but you just have a clear reason for doing the vice versa as well. And in that we have to constant the mass. Okay, the most important thing is not about the writing all the detail, all that most of us can do easily, but the question that has been raised by all of the students is about how to draw a diagram. For drawing a diagram, we just need to first of all do with the detail, and then we have to draw the diagram, which would be a last step. In the question, it is given as the first step. Okay. Now, we can also use a clamp, or you can say a gauze, something on like to hold the Newton meter with us and with the load and extension towards it. You can also use it by the help of the method and to determine the x that is given in that, and how to measure the cross section area, how to measure its length of the metal wire. Okay, these are all questions that has been raised. Furthermore, we need to just plot a graph for the method of data analysis. For data analysis, we need to plot a graph. Okay, we need to plot a graph with us, and the graph would be plot with the LGY against LGX against LGA. That is over there, LGA. Okay. Now, I'm just going to draw a diagram that is the most important part of that question. Okay, here, have a look over there. Okay, we have with the boss and clamp. Okay, we have the boss and clamp, and okay, it's the Newton meter with us. The spring balance that has been with us. The scale. Okay, the extension wire, metal wire, and then finally the load with us. Okay, we just measure diagram. For example, load is with the 10 Newton. You can just take it as well. The metal wire, spring balance, or you can write a Newton meter as well. The graduation should also be labeled properly. Okay, boss and clamp over there. Okay, with us. And finally, as we're going with the meter rule. Okay, meter rule over there. Okay, now the main problem that can also be taken into account. For example, if you're just going to solve the question and you're doing practically all over that, okay, so we just need to have make a eye contact properly. It means that there should be a no parallax error or no further error. So for that, we just use the, you can say, set square to have a proper eye contact with us when we are just going with the experiment practically. This is a set square. You need to label it as well. Set square. The graduation of the meter will already be written. Just you need to write the meter rule. Okay, and yes, boss and clamp. Okay, spring balance graduation, set square meter. Yes, that's fine. That's very much fine with the question. And finally, this is last. You can say a hindrance for many of the students to just to draw a diagram. So now it has been easy by just focusing on the question about the rating if the metal wire is given, and for that you can measure the metal wire by the help of the micrometer or calipers as well. Okay. Hope you just understand video. Inshallah, in next video, just going to solve with the further question or question two left of this paper. And this paper, okay, I just forgot to write about the October November 2020 syllabus code 51. Okay, and inshallah in a further video I'm going to solve it as well. Okay, up till now, Allah Hafiz.